Want to become a survey programmer, but confused where to start? Which tools should you learn? Do you need coding? And how long does it actually take to become professional? In this video, I'll show you the complete roadmap to become a professional survey programmer based on real industry experience. Whether you are a complete beginner, a student, or someone switching careers, this video will save you months of confusion. First, let's quickly understand what survey programming actually is. Survey programmers build online surveys using different platforms and logic. This includes creating questionnaires, skip logic, validations, quotas, randomization, piping, and making sure the survey works perfectly on desktop and mobile devices. The first thing you should learn is survey basics. Before touching any tool, understand how surveys actually work. Learn question types: single choice and multiple choice type questions, matrix grid type questions, open-ended type question, rating scales type questions. Next, choose one survey platform and master it properly. You do not need to learn every tool in the beginning. Start with one. Popular tools include Qualtrics, Lime Survey, SurveyMonkey, Decipher, Confirm It. If you are a beginner, I personally recommend starting with Lime Survey because it helps you understand logic more deeply. This is where real survey programming starts. You need to learn skip logic, display conditions, validation checks, quotas, randomization. Most beginners can create basic surveys. But logic is what separates beginners from professionals. You don't need to become a full software engineer. But learning basic coding gives you a massive advantage. Learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript basics. Why? Because clients often need customizations that tools alone cannot handle. The fastest way to improve is by building real surveys. Create demo projects for yourself, customer feedback surveys, employee surveys, market research forms. The more mistakes you make while testing, the faster you grow. Professional survey programmers don't just build surveys, they protect data quality. Learn things like attention checks, preventing bad responses, mobile optimization, speeding prevention, proper validations, because bad surveys create bad data. One thing nobody teaches beginners is client communication. Real projects constantly change. Clients update logic, modify wording, and request last-minute changes. Understanding requirements clearly is one of the biggest skills of a professional survey programmer. So how long does it take to become good? If you practice consistently, basic understanding, 1 to 2 months intermediate level, 6 months professional level, around 1 to 2 years of real projects experience matters a lot in survey programming because every project teaches something new. If you want more videos on survey programming, tools, logic, and real industry tips, subscribe to the channel. And let me know which topic you want next.